So today we're gonna go over Unit 2. I'm gonna do topic by topic. Our first one is going to be distance versus displacement. Okay, so distance versus displacement. So you have your distance, okay, displacement. All right, so distance, your total ground, how much ground you cover, okay? So how much you cover. Displacement is your measurement from start to finish. Okay, we're gonna do our examples. So distance, I tell you I went 5 meters, okay, to the right, or when we say to the right, it's also east. Okay, and then I tell you I went, let's say, I don't know, 7 meters down or south. My total distance is equal to what? All I have to do is 5 plus 7, okay, and that would be 12, right? I'm crazy. I can't do simple math right now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, 12. Okay. See, you just saw me counting on my fingers. No shame. All right. So your total distance is 12 meters. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing for displacement. Okay. I went 5 meters east and 7 meters south. Okay. From start to finish, I'm looking for this distance right here, from the start to the finish. Okay. Because you have these 2 points, you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So you have your a squared plus b squared is equal to your c squared. Okay. So we have 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to our c squared. All right. Does everybody see that? So we have 25 plus 49 is equal to c squared. Okay, let me move that. I'm just going to continue it over here so I don't have to use another piece of paper already. Alright, so after you do Pythagorean theorem, solve it out. Okay, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49. Now all you have to do is add them up. You have 25 plus 49. Do that in your calculators if you need to. Okay. You have 74 is equal to c squared. Now because it's squared, remember you have to do the square root to get that distance by itself. Okay. So c by itself, all you do is take the square root. So shift square root, put it in your calculators. Okay, it's about 8.6 meters. Okay, that is our answer. So distance versus displacement. Distance is how much area you cover, okay, how much ground you cover. Displacement is from the distance from start to finish, okay, start to finish. And most of the time, all you have to do is look at your 2 points, okay? And then you're going to use Pythagorean theorem to solve it. Okay, hopefully that part was not confusing for you guys. I guess let's go ahead on the worksheet, okay? Let's do... Let's do number 1. All right. Chance drives her scooter 7 kilometers north. Okay. So for all of the distance versus displacement, you guys want to draw it, okay? You don't want to just imagine it. You don't want to just be writing the numbers. You actually want to draw it. Okay. So for number 1, Chance drives her scooter 7 kilometers north. So we're gonna draw it. So I'm just gonna draw my arrow. I'm gonna just say that's 7 kilometers. Okay, and it's going up, so you know that's north. You can label that too, though. Next, she stops for lunch and then drives 5 kilometers east. So she stops for lunch. So she went up 7, okay, and then she's gonna drive 5 kilometers east. So from where you stop drawing your first point, you're gonna continue your second one, okay? Label it. She drove 5 kilometers east. Okay, what distance does she cover? Wow, I did this exact problem without even knowing it earlier. So, your total distance. Okay, all you do is add it up. 7 plus 5 is 12 kilometers. Okay, that's how much distance she covered. Now, what was her displacement? Remember, from start to finish. So, same thing. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Okay, this is for displacement. Alright, A squared, shortest side. Okay, that will be your 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to C squared. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. Again, 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, it's equal to C squared. 25 plus 49, we just did this, is 74. Okay, 74 is equal to your C squared. Okay, find the square root. Find the square root to get C by itself. And it should be 8.6 kilometers. Please, please don't forget your units. Okay, so from start to finish, right there, this distance right here is 8.6 kilometers, and that is your displacement. Okay, if you guys have any questions on that, please let me know. But this is it for this topic. You'll see the next topic on scalar and vectors in the next video.